Watch these YouTube channels to improve your English. Learning English can be a fun and exciting journey, especially with the help of the right resources. One of the best and easiest ways to improve your English is by watching YouTube channels. YouTube is filled with channels that offer free lessons and helpful tips to help you speak, read, and write English better. If you're just starting to learn English, watching these channels can make the process easier and more enjoyable. In this video, we will talk about some of the best YouTube channels you can watch to improve your English. These channels offer lessons on vocabulary, grammar, speaking, listening, and more. Let's take a look at a few YouTube channels that can help you become more confident in English. 1. BBC Learning English. BBC Learning English is one of the most popular YouTube channels for learning English. It is a part of the BBC, which is a well-known news organization in the UK. The channel provides English lessons for all levels, from beginners to advanced learners. On this channel, you can find grammar lessons. The channel explains grammar rules in simple, easy-to-understand ways. Vocabulary videos. You will learn new words and phrases that you can use in everyday conversation. Pronunciation tips. BBC Learning English helps you pronounce English words correctly. English for specific purposes. There are lessons for people who need English for work, travel, or exams. BBC Learning English also offers short videos that explain English in small, easy-to-understand steps. The lessons are designed to keep you engaged, so you will enjoy learning new things. 2. English Addict with Mr. Duncan. If you like a friendly and enthusiastic teacher, you will enjoy watching English Addict with Mr. Duncan. Mr. Duncan is an experienced English teacher who has been teaching English for many years. On his channel, he speaks about many different topics and explains them in simple English. Some of the things you will learn on this channel include common English phrases. Mr. Duncan teaches common phrases that native speakers use every day. Useful expressions. You will learn how to sound more natural when speaking English. Fun lessons. Mr. Duncan often adds humor to his lessons, making learning English more enjoyable. Motivational videos. If you're feeling stuck or bored with your studies, Mr. Duncan's motivational videos can inspire you to keep going. This channel is great for learners of all levels, and Mr. Duncan's passion for teaching English will make you want to watch more of his videos. 3. English Class 101. English Class 101 is another great YouTube channel that helps learners improve their English. This channel is perfect for both beginners and more advanced students. The videos are short and easy to follow, making learning simple and fun. Here are some of the topics covered on English Class 101. Vocabulary lessons. Learn new words and phrases related to different topics like food, travel, and shopping. Grammar tips. The channel explains important grammar rules and gives examples of how to use them. Conversation practice. You can watch conversations between native speakers to help you practice listening and speaking. Cultural lessons. Learn about English-speaking cultures, including traditions, holidays, and everyday life. One great feature of English Class 101 is that it offers videos in a slow and clear pace, which is perfect for beginners. The lessons are also short, so you can easily watch a video or two each day. 4. Learn English with English Class 101. Learn English with English Class 101 is another helpful channel from the same company. While the other channel focuses on both listening and speaking, This one is designed specifically to help you build your speaking skills. On this channel, you will find real-life English lessons. Learn English that you can use in your daily life. For example, you can learn how to order food in a restaurant or ask for directions. Tips on speaking. The channel gives advice on how to speak more clearly and confidently. Fun activities. The lessons often include quizzes and activities that make learning more interesting. Pronunciation practice. This channel has many videos that help you improve your English pronunciation. By watching this channel regularly, you can improve your speaking skills and feel more comfortable using English in real situations. 5. Rachel's English. Rachel's English is a popular YouTube channel that focuses on American English pronunciation. If you want to sound more like a native speaker, this channel is perfect for you. Rachel, the teacher, explains how to pronounce English words clearly, so people will understand you better. On Rachel's English, you can expect to find pronunciation lessons. Learn how to pronounce difficult English sounds like the th sound or the r sound. Stress and intonation. Rachel teaches you how to use the right stress and intonation in sentences. American English expressions. The channel introduces you to expressions and phrases commonly used in American English. Mouth movement practice. Rachel shows you how to move your mouth and tongue to make sounds correctly. If you're interested in improving your accent or learning American English, Rachel's English is a fantastic choice. 6. English with Lucy. English with Lucy is a YouTube channel created by Lucy, a teacher from the UK. She is known for her clear and easy-to-follow teaching style. Her channel covers many topics to help you improve your English skills. Some of the things Lucy teaches include grammar lessons. Lucy explains grammar topics in simple ways with plenty of examples. Pronunciation practice. Learn how to pronounce words correctly and sound like a native speaker. British English. If you are interested in learning British English, Lucy's channel is perfect for you. Vocabulary videos. Lucy teaches useful and everyday words that you can use in conversation. If you want to learn British English and improve your speaking, grammar, and pronunciation, English with Lucy is an excellent channel to check out. 7. FluentU English. FluentU English is a YouTube channel that uses real-world videos to help learners improve their English. The videos on this channel include clips from movies, TV shows, and music videos, which make learning English more fun and engaging. On FluentU, you will find real-world English. Watch videos in English, such as movie clips or news stories, to hear how native speakers really talk. Vocabulary lessons. The channel teaches you new words and phrases that are used in real life. Pronunciation practice. FluentU gives tips on how to pronounce words correctly. Interactive lessons. The channel offers interactive lessons that you can follow along with. If you want to learn English in a natural and interesting way, FluentU is a great choice. 8. Speak English with Vanessa. Speak English with Vanessa is another excellent YouTube channel for learning English. Vanessa is a teacher who focuses on helping students speak English confidently. Some of the things you will learn on this channel include daily English conversation. Vanessa teaches phrases and expressions that are useful in everyday situations. English grammar. She explains important grammar rules in simple and easy-to-understand lessons. Listening and speaking practice. Vanessa helps you practice your listening skills by speaking slowly and clearly. English tips. You will get helpful tips to improve your English more effectively. Vanessa's teaching style is friendly and encouraging, making her videos perfect for learners who want to improve their speaking and listening skills. Conclusion: watching YouTube channels is one of the best ways to improve your English. The channels mentioned above provide free lessons, tips, and fun activities that can help you build your English skills at your own pace. Whether you want to improve your speaking, pronunciation, grammar, or vocabulary, these YouTube channels are great tools to help you on your learning journey. By watching these channels regularly, practicing what you learn, and staying consistent, you will become more confident in using English every day. So start watching today and enjoy the process of learning English in a fun and exciting way.